The Hydrocarbon Pollution and Remediation Project HYPREP recently concluded a dialogue with civil society organizations centered on the theme "An Ogoni Beyond Oil is Possible." The event culminated in a field trip to the restored Bomu shoreline in Gokana local government, where participants engaged in a symbolic tree planting ceremony.
Well, in the first place, in the civil society, this particular week is called Heroes Week. It is the week we remember the brutal execution of Ken Saro-Wiwa and other martyrs of human rights all over the world. And so we took advantage of the civil society dialogue on HYPREP that happened yesterday to fix a tree planting campaign today. What we have done here is symbolic, but I can tell you that across the land of Ogoni, people are planting trees today just to help revegetate the devastated environment. And we have come here to do this because we feel that it is important. Yeah, otherwise we have been in some of the communities to do it. But I can tell you that in several other communities all over Ogoni today declare tree planting day. You know what is happening to our environment. If we don't help in our little way to plant trees, then in the next 20 years or so, there will be nowhere to call planet Earth. So that's why we are also here to encourage people to plant.
Well, coming to Bomu waterfront is a very important revelation about the level of restoration efforts being put in place by HYPREP, working with the community as well as the contractors. It shows clearly that something positive is happening and that the environment is gradually returning to its normal self. And this is very critical in terms of the whole efforts of HYPREP, because if you tell us you've cleaned the swamps, cleaned the land or the water and nothing grows, then of course that would be a lie. But now we're seeing that the mangroves that have been planted earlier are thriving, and we planted some today, and we hope to come back to monitor to see whether they're surviving or not.
My expectation is that I would like to come back and plant more mangrove. I am impressed. We have been informed that more than 1 million mangrove trees has already been planted. More is going to be planted, and I would like to call on so many people, community members, activists, to also contribute to planting the mangrove, and that will be promoting the mangrove restoration.
Reporting from Bomu Creek, Ogoni Land, Ikikere Udom for Box TV News.